Milan. This is all pulled from independent designers. This is top stuff, so really feel free to just rummage through. They're in demand right now. This is going to be the next thing. Everybody's after that designer.
And they're beautiful. The detail on it's fabulous.
That one's beautiful. Yeah, that definitely has my seal of approval. I've dressed a lot of celebrities in this. The blue one is Julia Roberts. Zoe Deschanel was wearing it. Beautiful. That looks amazing.
I feel like a movie.
Mm-hmm. This is Madonna who's wearing this one. This is older Madonna, as you can tell, a little more mature. You two look like $1 million.
I feel so glamorous. I feel like a movie star. The dress makes me feel beautiful and sexy and glamorous. We're ready for an expensive night out on the town now.
All right, please welcome Robin and Maggie. You know, Julian from Milan and Joe from Queens.
Joe, he's still rocking the Julian.
Yes, I like it.
Vibe.
We appreciate your acting abilities on this one. What did you use to kind of sell them as? I mean, I've noticed the kind of dropping names of celebrities.
Basically, I said Kate Winslet had it. At one point, I said Sarah Palin.
Yeah. We're just pulling everybody out of the house.
I literally, and another
When
thing.
you said Madonna wore that, I was like, no way. I'm sorry.
I tried to find the ugliest sweater and throw, oh, Madonna wore this. It's a mature look.
Do you find yourselves as shoppers, I mean, influenced by that kind of stuff, or when you see that kind of stuff?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think it's human nature that you look up to these people and all of a sudden they put their name on something and you think, oh, it's got to be fabulous.
A lot of it's just sales.
Yeah.
I know Joe from Queens knows nothing about women's clothing. So when you're asking me for advice, I was just, yes, it works.
Right.